Does your website get much search traffic, specifically to your home page? Because that really is the front door to your online business. If you really aren't sure, I have 3 ways to improve the SEO on your homepage. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video about increasing search traffic using SEO. I have used these exact strategies to increase my authority with Google, and I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs with their SEO strategy as well. Number 1, do your research. Research the different keywords and key phrases that you want to have on your website. There are so many different programs and platforms out there now, all designed to help you with your keyword research. My PDF of suggestions is in the show notes down below. My number 1 tool for keyword research is the Google Chrome extension Keywords Everywhere. It's easy to install, easy to use, and gives you all the information you need. Number 2, SEO equals content. Remember that, SEO equals content. So a quick hack is to start answering questions that you know people are asking through all that crazy keyword research you're doing. And you can put all of this fresh content on your blog page or your news release page as long as it's 1 click away from your home page. Number 3, make sure you deploy your H1, H2, and H3 title tags. This is basically telling Google what you want to be searched for. Imagine if Google has someone looking for your exact product or service and you don't have these tags filled out, you're missing out on an opportunity. So deploy these tags and watch your Google search traffic grow. Just think of one thing you could do on your homepage right now to improve that organic search traffic. If you are really struggling finding time to understand all of this SEO jargon, maybe my SEO online training is just what you need. Lead Attraction Accelerator starts up again on June 8th. Follow this link to find more information. Oh, and P.S., it's covered by the Canada-Alberta Job Grant. And what does that mean, you ask? Well, it means that the government is going to pay for 70% of the cost of the course for you to take it to improve your website SEO. Win-win if you ask me. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and remember, subscribe and be notified each time I post a new video. Adios, everyone.